Hi everyone, this is Tracy Emmanuel. In this video, you get to learn how to create waterfall braids. Take a section of hair taking into consideration of the fringe you want away from the face, split it into 3 sections, take the section nearer to the face, cross it over the middle strand, then take the section at the back to cross it over the middle section. Now it's time to say goodbye to the middle strand, then take a new section of hair just beside the strand you just said goodbye to cross it to the middle section of the main braid. Then take the section at the back with a section of hair from the main part of the hair together to cross it over the middle section. Then say goodbye to the previous middle strand as shown. Take a new section of hair beside the strand you just said goodbye to and cross it to the middle section of the main braid. Then take the back section of hair together with a section taken from the main part of the hair to cross it to the middle and say goodbye to the previous middle strand. And take a section of hair just beside the strand you just said goodbye to cross it to the middle. Remove any excess hair if needed to let everything look more equal. Repeating the same steps till the middle area reaches. When it reaches the middle, use a bobby pin to hold the hair in place and remove to the other side. Take a section of hair, split it into 3 sections. Take the section nearer to the face, cross it over the middle. Then take the back section to cross it to the middle section. And say goodbye to the original middle strand. Then take a new section of hair just beside it to bring it to the middle of the main braid. Now take the back strand together with a section of hair from the main part of the hair to middle section and say goodbye to the original middle strand and take a new section of hair to bring it to the middle of the main braid. Try to take similar amount of hair on each section to let the overall hairstyle look more equal. Take the back strand together with a section of hair from the main part of hair to bring it to the middle portion and say goodbye to the original middle strand and take a new strand of hair just beside to bring it to the middle position. Repeat the steps till you reach the middle. When it has reached the middle area, remove the earlier pin, pinch both braids together and pin them in place. Spray some hairspray. Hold on to the pinned area and start pulling to create textures and make the braids look bigger, or you can also just stop there without pulling it out as long as you like how it looks. To make the waterfall strands stand out more, you can twirl on each strand as shown. Decided to add in some dried flowers from the flower bouquet from Apple. Thank you so much, Apple, so happy to receive these flowers. I really love the white flower, so cutting it out first, and because it's a dried flower, I can still stick it back to the bouquet when it's not in use. Time to time, I'll cut some flowers from my clients' flower bouquets that wouldn't affect the overall look of the bouquet to add it into their hair. You can see from this video how I try to look for filler flowers at the sides to cut out. Over here, you see how I place the flowers and leaves into the hair. You can pin them in place for more security if you want to. Spread some hairspray at the fringe area to pull some volume out. Decided to curl this side of the hair a little more to let the whole hair look better. Giving a turn to check how it looks overall. Held on to the fringe a little and spread to create a little volume there as well. Decided to curl each of the waterfall strands to make them look more prominent. And then using fingers to brush it out to make it look more natural. This is how I create waterfall braids. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do help to like and share to someone you feel might need to watch this too. If you do recreate this look, tag me on Instagram so I can see. Subscribe if you want to see similar videos coming up, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are up. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.